Okay, nigga, buddy.
White, Hampton Bay.
Okay, nigga, buddy.
Alright, so. This is going to be the 2019 1080p HD remake video of the 42-inch white Hampton Bay Landmark 3 Plus ceiling fan that was installed in the laundry room at our guest house. 1080p HD remake video of the 42-inch white Hampton Bay Landmark. March or April of 2011, when my dad and my brother were, finishing up the building the guest house. So yeah, I guess I'll pick the phone up now and I'll give you guys a closer look at it. All right, so here it is. Just the pull chains on it.
Oh, there you go.
Top of it. As you can see, it's from April of 2010. That is the month and year that all of the landmarks at the guest house are from, April 2010. It's got reversible bleached oak to white blades. You see the shades on it. As I'm sure you are probably aware of, this is the oldest landmark. And you will be seeing that in a few minutes. UL sticker. I don't know why it says 2008 on the UL sticker, but yet it says 2010 on that sticker. Not sure what that's about. Random events. Sideband. So, yeah. I'll put the phone back down now, and I will give you guys the demonstration of it. Alright, here goes the light.
Here we go.
As you can see, all of the bulbs are functional. Here's low. Probably hear the buzzing noise it makes, but it gets even worse on a medium and high. High is its loudest speed. Alright, here goes medium. Alright, here goes medium. Medium and high. High is its loudest speed.
Oh.
Alright, here goes medium.
Okay, goes right.
Probably hear the buzzing noise it makes, but it gets even worse on a medium and high. High is its loudest speed.
Thanks.
Alright, here goes medium.
Okay. Alright.
Alright, here goes medium. Starting to get louder now. It's also starting to wobble very, very, very slightly. You guys probably can't see that on camera though.
Okay.
Alright, here goes hot.
Lights, here we go.
Alright, here goes hot.
Okay. I'm getting about it goes hot. Hello.
This is both its wobbliest and its loudest speed. Pushes a lot of air though, I will give it that, but other than that, it's just not a good fan.
Okay. Let's search the now. Okay. Alright, what's that? Yeah, yeah. Excuse me. Alright, fine. Thank you. Alright, that's better.
Subscribe.
That's really good night.
And that's it. Hope you enjoyed, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.